Everybody's always looking for a diamond in the rough here in St. Johns County, whether it's having more land or a ranch that actually fits everybody. Well, do I have one for you? And when I mean diamond in the rough, I actually mean that this is actually in rough draft, because this is a ready now home here in Iron Branch with Toll Brothers Homes. Now, what does that actually mean? That means that by the end of the year, you could actually be living in this amazing home that's 5 bedrooms with an office, 3-car garage, which we'll talk about where that is in a second. And it also sits on a huge 1 acre plus lot here. And it's available for you to call it home before the end of the year. Do you want to go see it? Come on. But first, let's talk about that 3-car garage, because I don't see a half one over here, or even one, and I don't see one over here. How do I enter? Well, come with me. Because you're no longer high-fiving your neighbor next to you, you actually have the ability to pull in over here. That's right, you actually have a real courtyard in this neighborhood, and your 3-car is right on the side. So you have this amazing view coming in, and then this huge amount of space in your garage, all in here. But you came for the house tour, right? Let's go. Now, I know some people are hit or miss about ranch style homes, which are 1-story only floor plans, but this one actually does make sense. You have your office right in the front, you have their bedrooms on one wing, you have 2 bedrooms on this wing, and then the kitchen and I would imagine it's kind of like a Monica, if you guys have seen that video with me, where it has this great entertainment area with the kitchen and the great room overlooking your 1 acre land. Let's go see it. I just love how everything was laid out. You have your offices, your bedrooms, your kitchen, your dining, living room, and then a huge primary, and not to mention a huge lanai you guys will see at the very end. But this home just really just took the show. It reminds me a lot of some of the homes that I'm able to see, or the ICI builds or the Riverside builds, which are some of my favorite builders. It's so open, so much natural light. And I just love how this area right here is perfect for entertaining, while up here in the front is honestly, I guess, where you can choose your wing. And having this front office right here is just the absolute ideal location that you absolutely need there. And then you have a half bath right here, right off for the guests or anyone coming in. And then you also have these 2 areas back here. You have 2 bedrooms. So one, I love like the privacy that it has on this. And I also love the fact that there's like 2 closets. I don't know if you guys will see that in this video, but there's 2 closet areas where you can have all the storage, and it has its own bathroom. And I think that that's one thing that you'll notice in this floor plan over and over again. And I'll probably see it in every single room, because why not? But each bedroom basically has its own bathroom. And I just really love that. It's like everyone has their own ensuite. So this would be perfect for either if you have to bring in a family member, or if you have older kids, like for them just to have their own space, or just guests to have their own space. It's just really ideal, especially with a lot of the clients I see right now who are bringing in their family members. This is just a great floor plan for that. And again, another bedroom. I will say the sizing on these bedrooms, this one feels just a little bit smaller than the other ones. But again, bathroom in the bedroom. Love it. 10 out of 10. Nice size closets. We're not having those dinky closets. We're having pretty nice size closets. And then I really love this connection that it has here. And I know what you guys do. You watch my videos, you're like, what's behind the door? Well, behind this door is actually where your HVAC system would go. Boop. Just so you know, this is what keeps your house cool. This is the coolest closet in the house. You're welcome. But again, this kitchen. So giant island you're gonna have here, gourmet kitchen on that back wall. Right over here, you're gonna have a perfect little coffee station, but then also your pantry over here. So some great storage options while also having or like a little bar area, whatever you're looking for.
but tons of cabinet space that will be available here while still a lot of natural light coming in, because remember, you don't have someone that you're backing up to in this neighborhood. You have all of that natural light flowing into your house. Love the electric fireplace that they're putting in here. I just personally just love it for a statement piece for a living room. And then back to this primary. I don't even think you guys are ready for this. Look at that. Look at the size of that shower. Your whole family in every single bedroom could fit inside that. That actually could wash a golf cart, probably. Separate his and her sinks. Love that. Also, his and her closets. We all love that. I personally have it, and I have not stolen any part of my husband's, but still, these would be amazing. Put in some cabinets by design, be phenomenal. And the natural light inside of this primary, you couldn't ask for more. Tray ceilings, everything you can need. By the way, these are options that they did, like Toll Brothers himself. Okay, we're back up front because we wanted to blip there. Teleported you guys, you're welcome. Laundry room right in the front. So if you had to make your decision through the front door, you are taking a left right here. Drop zone right here from the garages that are in front of me. Bedroom. And again, drum roll, please. Yes, there is a bathroom. Again, I just think that this is so much more ideal. I wish more builders did this. And it is a full walk-in shower. So this would be perfect for that ensuite that you guys are needing or wanting. And then right over here, one more bedroom for you because you didn't have enough. You need 5. A lot of people actually do need this. And this would be great even for a home office option, because then you have your bathroom in there. You never have to leave. You could just keep working. I mean, that's what I feel like I keep doing all the time too. And then you won't believe where this door leads right here. Where we started it all, in the garage. And I could not finish this video without going through my favorite view from the front door to the back. This view is phenomenal. And back there is protected farmland, fun fact, by some locals here in St. Johns County. But this is your view. You could actually have this view because this home is ready now and it's absolutely calling your name. And I think it's time that we pick up the phone and take that call.
Iron Branch is absolutely one of a kind, but there's other neighborhoods if this one doesn't exactly fit the bill for you and your family, or maybe just finally your retirement plan that you've been planning on all along. Well, hi, my name is Demi Judd. I'm a local born and raised here in St. Johns County, and I help people grow roots in my hometown. I love where I live, and so now I get to share my experience of living here as well as my expertise of living here and helping families find the perfect neighborhood. Whether it takes 2 weeks or 2 years, I'm here for the ride, and I have tools and resources that I provide more than just my channel, which if you haven't already liked and subscribed, you should probably get on doing that because I'm gonna give you all the tea on St. Johns County. But I do have a guide that is a locals guide, breaks down the area, gives you resources and tools and vendors that you might need through your homeownership process or local process of living here. But that is all I have for today. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I'm here to help you become a local in no time. I'll see you guys.